fun than like everybody going to one.
I think so. It lets me like make sure that it's gonna work without like mistakes being race too.
Oh, more races. All right, Leader's taking a shot. Right? Ready?
10 minutes. 10 minutes, so it should be something like 7 or 8 laps. Which is not bad. 7 or 8 is pretty good. It'll be slow. It'll be slower than slower, but yeah, this is.
Oh my gosh.
Please work. Yeah. Got him. Got him with a 67. Quintero's thing isn't working at all. So. Just make sure that. Oh crap.
Water has to leak right now. When I need to not be in the house.
Like this is karma for me being like, oh man, that's unfortunate. Like aggressively fast.
I know, I wanted to. Yard tax. Get an 80. That's an 80. who wiped out.
I do want to see that wiped out.
Okay, good.
Rolled off the racing line pretty well. Got out of the way. Yeah, the hard part to start is coming in and you gotta get it in or accept that you're gonna get smashed. And like the bike was gonna slow so I had to let it sit at higher.
Yeah, I usually just stay in the back.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think so. So what I ended up doing is like I got in the corner and then I got in the rut and then I couldn't see the dirt pathway. Normally I like to get in the rut and then come out this way and then roll on the throttle. Didn't see it and then I lost my front there. Touch on the brake. Oh.
What do we set? How many more minutes until I get first?
His tag's not working.
Give me a check on that.
No,
I can't see more than anything.
I know, but I think this is the color big. Watching Lily? No, we're watching the whole. Okay.
You like rags and legs.
Oh, the one that just came in.
Yeah, Colin. Probably beat me, even if I was doing the shorter lap.
A lot. So I'm like, oh, where do you color clocks?
I know one right here.
Okay. So then I go back to the
I only got like 13.
Good. Has anybody seen the other side of the color? If you feel like a single lap, it's fine. But you just don't notice how much bend people are going through once you get like blasted. You don't see anything.
I think Colin's gonna have to like put back in the rut.
I think this is like second over, right?
After time comes out, it's plus 1 minute. For the leader, and then most of the leaders have to. Yeah, they gotta keep going. They gotta keep going. It's 1-1. Wow. leader takes. And make it. Wow. Sorry.